Hi car friends. I'm here on the road and my engine is overheating. This is a bad place to be, but a common problem in the hotter months. Luckily, I know what to do to get my car back on the road and in a safe place. First, I'm gonna stay calm. Check. Then I'm gonna find a spot so I can pull over safely and turn my car off. Now that I'm in a safe location, I'm gonna pop the hood so I can let my engine cool and do a quick visual check on what the issue may be. Okay. Now I'm looking for a leaky hose or leaky radiator or maybe a loose serpentine belt. And it's very important that you do not remove the radiator cap when the engine is hot. There are several issues that'll make your engine overheat. Sometimes you can spot it immediately and get what you need to fix it at your local Autozone. And in this case, I can see the radiator hose is leaking at the clamp, so I'm gonna need to replace that. If you can't find the problem immediately, you may have to get it towed to a mechanic or somewhere where you can work on it more extensively. I went to Autozone and picked up a new hose, and I'm ready to replace it and get back on the road. And for more tips, be sure to like and subscribe.